Good evening. Long time no see. Cool, it's whatever. I want to show you the new strategy I'm working with, swing trading. First things first, this is where I'm learning all my swing trading knowledge. Um, Christian, Swedish trader, 100 million plus. He has a great website, explains his trading setup, his psychology, his philosophy of trading, shit like that. And I want to show you what I've been doing recently, the wins, the losses, and all that. First things first, the idea of this trading system is you want to get the best and biggest momentum winners in the market, and you want to capitalize off the stair stepper movement. And what he means by stair stepper is let's get a perfect one for you. MP. All right, perfect. It has a huge run. Then we stair stepper with stair stepper. We get tighter and tighter in the moving averages, and then we break out strong. You buy the breakout. You put a stop at the low of the day. Cool. This is the scanner I'm using. First things first, if you want to get less stocks to scan, which he recommended around 50, you just take ETFs off. Maybe you move the price different, maybe you move the ADR up, maybe you switch the volume. If I move the volume to 2 million, it takes off most of the stocks. So if you want less stocks to scan, do that. But for me personally, I want the most stocks, the most possible trades possible. But these are what I'm working with. ETF, yes. I don't know why I did that. Just do that. It doesn't matter. Okay, so first things first, you want price. You can switch up the price however you want. If you want to get higher valuation stocks like Apple, Airbnb, Tesla's probably in here somewhere, you can move it up. If you don't want to get $250 stocks because they're expensive and you can't get a lot of them, move it down. Whatever works for you. ADR, you need ADR. This is a must-have. These three on the end are must-haves. ADR, volume, based on the amount of dollars traded, and then average volume of shares traded. First things first, you want ADR because you want a fast trading stock. Second, you want volume to price, or the more money is more liquid, which is good, and the more shares, the more liquid, which is good because you get the best entries if you're doing market orders. Obviously, if you are buying a breakout, you'd rather get in quickly and buy a market order, and instead of getting a limit and then getting ran away from. So yes, these are the ones you have. Price is up to you. Whichever stocks you want is up to you. If you want to do mutual funds, that's fine. If you want to do REITs or REITs, that's fine. I actually just did there's like a real estate, something like that. Real estate, and it's not the point. All right. Yes. First things first, watch swing trading schools. Most of these have swing trading school first hour or so. I don't really care. I watch them all. I watch them through. If you want to go to another one, let's say this one, you could scroll down. Swing trading school starts at about 52:45. Boom. You get to save some time. I don't care. I'm just going to watch them over again. I've already watched them once. I'm watching them again. Gotta study when the market's not as hot as it could be. First things first, XM. XM, I got in, I think this day right here. Yes, I got in this day. It was peeking its head out. It wasn't a full, like, amazing breakout, but I appreciated how it, fell under. It opened under, dropped a little bit, recovered, and closed above the wait, no, I definitely did not get in that day, but I did like that price action. I saw that and I was like, that's nice. I got in this day. Reason I know that is because my average, I trade on IBKR, which is Interactive Brokers, and when you buy on Interactive Brokers, the commission is based on the selling and the entry. So if you get a market order right at the open at 1635, they'll fuck you up and put it at 1674, which is not fun. But I sold half at the highs of 1720, which was nice. I'm still in it. I will exit out of my position at the close of underneath the 10-day moving average. So if we run up all the way up to like 20, let's say, we come to 20, and then we fall, and then we close under the 10-day moving average. The 10-day goes up, up, up. We close underneath it. I'll get out then. Yeah. Next trade, SYNH. This was a great trade. I got in this day, actually, the day that it had news about an acquisition, I'm pretty sure. Amid report, company looking to sell itself. Yeah, so it's looking to sell itself, and I'm guessing, I don't know why exactly it went up if it's trying to sell, but cool, I'll take it. I sold some up at 42, somewhere up here, into weakness. I didn't sell all of it. I sold half. Wait, no, I had a take profit, I'm pretty sure, of like 40 something. Let me check. Oh, 40.20 I probably had a take profit of, which is kind of unfortunate. I missed $3, but I mean, usually breakouts take profits are at the recent highs, so that's what my first take profit was. If it goes up, cool. If it goes down, that's fine. I think I have a stop at break even, pretty sure, because on such a high move and news, I don't want to get stopped out in a tank, or I don't want to get stopped out at the low of that day. I want to get stopped out at break even. This day, MP, I got in this day obviously on 227. It got me an average of 34.22. I did sell some up here at 35.40, 35.30 something, and yeah, I'm still in it. I will let it trail the 10 moving average. NTLA, am I still in this? NTLA, yes I am. I got in this because it was breaking out. It was pretty strong, but then again, if I zoom out, it's not in a perfect setup. It did run a little bit, and it's kind of just having a very controlled, slow downtrend. But if it does break above this 50, there's a possibility it goes to 200-day moving average. PE ratio, negative, which is kind of interesting. I don't know why you focus on the PE ratio. It's not really important. But earnings, I think their revenue went up from last time. 13.27, 13.57. Yep, revenue is growing, which is nice, which I like to see. Yeah, still in that. It's a winner right now. S, I'm also in. It was showing breakouts. What's my average? Let me put my average on here just so you guys can see. 15.95. 15.95. Oh, fucking hell. Alright, that is my average. So we did close underneath 16, which isn't the best. I honestly wanted to expect, I wanted it to close above the 10-day moving average, but hopefully tomorrow we break above this 16.21 and shoot up to 17.24 area up here. I have a take profit at 17.36 of half of my position, and then I will let the other half run. Some possible setups. Snap, we have a very tight channel right now. This actually has happened before in Snap, where it runs, falls underneath the moving averages, falls underneath again, and kind of just rides, and then pops up back up to like 11, possibly 12 maybe. 200-day moving average is fucking sharp right now. Revenues aren't the best, but I mean, it did grow this last revenue thing, but I'm about to sneeze. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I tried to hold him in. I don't know why. It's probably not good for me. Okay, Marvel. Trying to break out of this channel right here. Rejected off the 200-day moving average. Closed underneath the 20-day moving average, which isn't the best. AEHR tried to break out, but it failed. Maybe it closes, I don't know, maybe it trends a couple more days and then breaks out later. Coin, I missed this breakout. I have a couple of breakouts I missed in here, so which is fine. I missed this breakout. Probably would have been closed. I mean, I don't know. It was all right. It could be better. 64.79 is the 20-day moving average, and it closed at 64.83, a couple cents above the 20-day moving average. One trade that I had was AMC, and I didn't take it because earnings was today. I should have. But I was watching the breakout around 1640-ish, and I didn't get in because I saw the earnings sign right there, and I was like, oh, it must have earnings tonight. I regret that decision. It went up 30% from where my entry would have been, and yeah, it's would have probably been a trade of the year, but what can you do about it? NYT, this is probably short. The reason I put this on my watch list is because if it goes sideways and the moving averages collide and then it just pops up again to 42, that'd be cool. I'm curious why. Revenue was beat by damn near 100 million, so that probably is why. SPLK, this was a breakout I missed. Great trade, obviously, but missed it. AA tried to break out today, failed. Tesla, it did have a little bit of a sideways action, not sideways action, but of a let me do this, that was bad. Yeah, it had a breakout yesterday. I didn't get in because it's just a little bit too expensive for my taste. So yeah, I mean, it was alright. It could have been better, but yeah. Plus, it's right against the 200-day moving average. Maybe it goes and tests the 200-day moving average, and then it's 205 to 220, like a $15 win. But yeah, you win some, you lose some. SPLK. This is ZIM. This has been doing pretty decently this year. Yeah, not much to say. It's just been doing great since 2023 started. Popped up, stair step down, tight, boomed out. I mean, what can I say? It looks very good. From the breakout, you made $3. UNM. This has just been strong. This whole market. 2022 it crashed, but other than that, 2022 it did not care that the market was bad. Broke out of this right here. Good trade. I didn't take it, sadly. I didn't know about it. EDU, I got stopped out on this actually because I bought the breakout and I had stops at the low of the day and I got stopped out. So yeah, unfortunate. Pens is just getting tight. It's actually kind of seeing a wedge forming with higher lows, higher highs. There's just the reason why I have a horizontal line right there is just because the amount of times it's tried to break this spot specifically, and then it breaks it and then it consolidates on it, breaks out, falls back, has a little bit of support, closes above it, falls under, boom. It's above the 200-day moving average, which is a good sign. The 200-day moving average is actually moving up, and there's a lot of volume getting accumulated here, so it is possible that it does run back up to 50s, possibly. I could see it happening. Pinterest, not a horrible company either. PE ratio is, or TTM, whatever the fuck that means, negative 173. This seems like it's a little bit undervalued. I'm not gonna lie with you. I'll be watching this though on the weekly for a breakout. I think this is a good possible stock. 36 is the 200 weekly moving average, so it's getting tight, very tight right now. Might want to just keep an eye on it. Para tried to break out there. I did get in, but I was dumb because I should not have gotten in because there was no like significant volume or break. So and then it gapped down and then yeah, stopped me out obviously. Uber, I'm in this short right now. On paper though. I'll show you this. Uber 1%. Yeah, I'm in this short at 33.77. I expect this to go back down to the 50, so $33, not bad. AI, this is getting very tight. It tried to break out today, but it failed actually, which is very surprising because AI has been on a rampage. RPD just been fucking gliding down, kind of ugly. ADXN, perfect breakout. Let me fix this trend line. Boom. Yeah, perfect. Nothing else to say. Just beautiful. And it had support off the 10-day moving average. It is kind of getting a little bit extended, but then again, sometimes stocks go 500%. Where is it from the bottom? 300% so far. So it could go thousands. Don't know. BTU, been watching this. Higher lows, higher highs. Finally found resistance. Maybe it goes back to 40s. Don't know. Just watching it. Neo had a breakout down here and then just runs. And the reason why you close at the under, like when it closes underneath the 10 days, because if you got in like on this breakout, you would have gotten stopped here, but maybe you got a re-entry after it keeps fucking going back up above it. Maybe you re-enter right here, maybe there, and then you get stopped here, blah blah blah. But then if you get back in, boom boom boom, get some out as 18, you know. That's just like, and then I just watch that for fun. But yeah, these top ones I am in right now, 1 2 3 4 5. I learn all my stuff from here, so yeah. Adios. I'll be back when I feel like it, I guess.